Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Vern's Misadventures. Left you kind of hanging in the last episode. We put the case for the Commodore 128 along with some of the keycaps in the Retrobright box, turned the light on, and we run out of time. The video was getting too long, so we decided to wait until this one to show what happened. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so I dried them with the neatest hair dryer. Anyway, I saw Ms. Mad Lemon do that. I thought, hey, that's pretty clever. I don't do that if I ever do keyboards. So, these are the keys that were not very yellow. Like I say, they spent about 12 hours in the murk, as I call it, which was just basically the cream and some water in a bowl under the light. This is how they came out. They look pretty good, if you ask me. If we can get the other keys to look this good, I'll be more than happy. Alright, well, we'll go ahead and put all the keys on here that we can, that are not currently retrobrighting. Most key springs. Alright, well, let's load them up. What we got here? Fourth one. There it is. Alright. Here. Well, anyway, I took them out of the Retrobright box. Oh, about 4 o'clock in the morning. Look at that case, will you? Look at it. So let's see here. There's the sides. The other side. Here is the bottom. Back. This side that was pretty yellowed. And depending on the light, I think it looks great. Looks like freaking brand new, huh? That's the next order of business. Let me show you the keys. So apparently Minnie has decided she's gonna hold the movie for ransom until I get her the treats. You little punk, Minnie. You little punk. You too, Ginger. Now be quiet. I'm trying to make a movie here. Alright. So, let's see. Let me move that case over out of the way, and I'll put the keyboard up and we'll put it back together. So let me show you how these keys came out. There was a space bar that was very, very yellowed. Here's the return key that was very, very yellowed. Here are the letter keys that were all very, very yellowed. Let's compare these to the keys that were not yellowed. Alright, so there are all the keys that are left to go on the keyboard. And I've mixed them all up nicely. But basically we had some that only got the what I'm calling the Merc treatment, where I put them in the water and because they really weren't that yellowed. And then some of them were very yellowed, and they're all mixed in here together. I don't know. Can you tell which is which? I know the return key was very yellowed before. I think it looks a lot better. I think it looks right. I suppose if you really tried, you could probably find where they're a little bit yellowed still. I don't know. I think they look great. I'm happy with it. Extremely happy with how the case came out. So, heck, let's just reassemble it. So these deals here will only go on one way. So I'll go ahead and plug these in now while we can get to it. Nice. So it's gonna go this way. Just put this on here. Yeah, like that. Kind of stretch it a little bit. It goes on there. Ready? Nice. Alright, it's in place. Now we just gotta put the spring. Ready? Just push it down. Nice. Alright, with that done, we can do the restore key that goes right above that. How many springs we got here? One. Just yeah. I think that's one spring. So that will go there, and this will go here. Alright, let's put the space bar on before we put a bunch of keys and forget. 2 lighter springs and a heavier one. So I know two lighter springs go on the outside, and a heavier one goes in the middle on the actual plunger. And that one snaps in there. This one snaps in here. Right? That would go there. This would go here. Let's put these in place here. So here we go. Everything seems to be in the middle. Let's see. Looks like the springs are in the right places. Yeah, it all went on. Look at that. The whole thing's in place now. So we just give it a little extra push here. Make sure it's actually seated. A little extra push right here. About that. So I guess we can mount this in the top of the case. I gotta get the power button in there before I can really put it on. So let's just see how it looks. Look at that. Look at that. A non-yellow case. So what we gotta do now, the power switch has, or the power light has to go back on, and then this piece here somehow, and then yeah. Let me get it to that point. Is that what the issue is? I'm putting it on backwards? Kinda seems like it. Look at that, everything fits so much nicer when you put it on the right way. Who knew? So let's get this screw started. Okay. This spot. We got just that much movement. Let me make sure all the keys will press. Adjustment here. It was just a smidge. Let's turn it over and look at it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hanging up anywhere. I like it. Looks good. How beautiful is that? Huh? Alright. So pretty Alrighty, y'all. Well, I thought the Retrobright came out pretty nicely. Let me know what you think in the comments if you want to. Hey, thanks for watching. I'd like to invite you to subscribe if you haven't already. And with that, we'll see you in the next one. Y'all take care.